His face. Go open another one. Here, I'll record it. Hurry, go. Go.
Have a water while you're in the kitchen. He's eating a lemon. I mean, a lime.
Could you turn it up?
Isaac. Ah, Papa.
You want some water? Ooh, gracias.
Reconsider. No matter.
Some water? It comes if you like it. Hold on, she wants to go grow the lime. Babe, are you falling asleep?
No, I'm not falling asleep.
Are you tired?
No. I'm okay. Just sit here.
Mary, do you know how many kids we're gonna have?
No.
You wanna know?
Yeah.
Dave, how many kids are we having?
How many
Give me
kids
one.
are we what?
Having.
What's that? No, get
My
right here.
shitload.
No, not a shitload, because I'm gonna get fat. Get this one. Yeah, this one.
Yeah, we're gonna have like 6. Making funny faces.
Yeah. Did you just go like that?
He doesn't even have food in his mouth anymore. He's trying to get it off his tongue. He's mad. This shit's funny. He's gonna throw up later, watch.
Oh, my baby bird. Tell him here.
Uh-uh. You can tell that the dogs will start barking.
Babe, I love you.
Whatever, I love you more.
Shut up.
Oh, I hate that.
What?
Nothing. When people say that, when guys say that,
I love you.
I love you more. Bitch, no, you do not. Let me tell you.
Your boyfriend tells you?
Yeah.
No, why? You want to talk to her?
No, I just want to see what she has in mind for everything, for like what house she want to do. Oh, you don't want to keep looking for another house then?
We
Or
have-
you're trying to go with the other one?
We have one more to see today, but she wants us to get the one on War Princess, and I want the one on Clearbrook. I mean, for $4,000 more, we get a pool, a bigger house.
And then we don't even have to do much work to it too.
The only thing we need to do is replace the AC.
And we could pay to have the pool just filled in. I mean, damn. You know what I mean?
To get it filled in.
Yeah, with dirt. I don't even care about it. Or we could just cover the top up with